Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about number line. Number line. Now the question is, what is a number line? A number line is a line with numbers. Let me spell it out. A line with numbers. Not just any line, a straight line with numbers. Let me draw a straight line. Put an arrow on the left side of the line. Put another arrow on the right side of the line and put 0 in between. Now we have two segments. A segment on the right side of the line and another segment on the left side of the line. The segment on the right side has all the positive values. And the segment on the left side has the negative values. Now if we put the numbers on the number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I put the values on the left segment, -1, -2, -3, -4. Here we see that if we move from left to right of the number line, the numbers get bigger, and if we move from left to right of the right to left of the number line, the numbers get smaller. So we can say that 3 is smaller than 4, but -3 is bigger than -4. And on a number line, two consecutive numbers are equidistant. What does it mean? It means that the distance between 2 and 3, the distance between 4 and 5, or the distance between -2 and -3, all these distances are equal. We can write the distance between two consecutive numbers on a number line is equal. Now what is distance? Let us assume that there are two numbers, ln, which is the larger number among these two numbers, and Sn, which is smaller number therefore the distance d will be equal to ln minus Sn modulus. What does this modulus sign show? It shows that distances are absolute value. Now what is an absolute value? Value, or what does an absolute value show? It shows that the distance 0. It does not show the direction of any number from 0, but just the distance. As distances are positive, so absolute values are also positive. For example, absolute value of 2 is 2 and absolute value of -2 is also 2. What does this show? It shows that the distance between 0 and -2 is 2, and it shows that the distance between 2 and 0 is 2. Now let us do some examples where we find out distances between two numbers. Say the first number is 2 and the second number is 5. Distance d will be equal to large number 5 minus smaller number 2 modulus. So this will be equal to 3 modulus, which is equal to 3. Again, the distance between 4 and -2. Here the distance d is equal to large number 4 minus smaller number -2 modulus sign. It will be 4 plus 2, it will be equal to 6. And say the distance between two negative numbers, say -1 and -4, distance will be d equal to the larger number -1 minus the smaller number -4 modulus sign. We have -1 plus 4 equal to modulus 3, which is equal to 3. Now take the second example where the larger number is 4 and the smaller number is -2. So here this is 4 and this is -2. There from 4 to 3 there is 1, from 3 to there is 1. Similarly here there is 1, here there is 1, here there is 1, and here there is 1. So how many 1s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 1s are here. Here we also have 6. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.